Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Today's video is a self-love exercise in paying gratitude to our bodies. Today we will have a moment to think about what our body provides for us. Or is it our eyes that we get to see the world with, that we get to see our world with, all the beauty and all the things that come into our life on a daily basis? Or is it our legs that carry us around? Or our feet which walk us around the world and every step closer to our dreams and our goals? Or is it our hands that we hold cups of tea with, or we drink with, or we make things with? Once you have picked a part that you want to be grateful for today, then gather your pen and paper, and in this exercise I drew around my foot because today I wanted to pay gratitude to my feet. But you can draw, reinterpret a part of the body, or just draw around it as I have. And once you've done that, then just fill in the places that what you're grateful for. For example, I'm grateful to be able to walk, or I'm grateful to feel the texture of grass under my feet. You can do that, or you can paint your background and then write in what you're grateful for. In this video, I did one of each, so you can pick whichever one works for you. Once you have written your list, just take a moment to look at it and really be present to all the things that your body provides. I know we've only picked one thing today, but the body really provides so much wonderful things in our lives that we are not always present to. So once you're complete, the exercise is complete, feel free to tag me on Instagram. I will leave the link below. And if you think that your friends or family might enjoy this exercise, please send it to them by sharing the video or by watching it with them. Thank you guys for watching today. Please remember to subscribe and have a wonderful week. Bye for now. Happy being creative. Bye.